Look, if you play the saxophone, then this is a solo you just have to learn. That was the iconic philwoods solo from the Billy Joel hit Just the Way You Are, released in 1977. As always, we'll take this phrase by phrase. You can press the space bar until you get each phrase sorted. Here's phrase number 1. Phrase number 2. So I hope you enjoyed that very short lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to come and join us and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.